This repeated Simpsons Rule sheet is a tiny numerical integration engine. Approximate the integral of t squared from 0 to 2 using repeated Simpsons Rule with step size h equal to 1/2. Cell C5 stores the step size 1/2. The integrand is t squared. The exact antiderivative is t cubed over 3, so from 0 to 2 the true value is 8/3, 2.6667. Start at t equals 0 and b8. Each later t cell is the previous t plus h. That produces the 5 nodes 0, 1/2, 1, 1.5, and 2. 5 nodes mean 2 Simpson panels. Simpson needs an even number of strips, and here each strip has width 1/2. Column C is just t squared. 0, 1/4, 1, 2 and 1/4, 4. Column D holds the Simpson multipliers 1, 4, 2, 4, 1. Ends get 1. Odd interior nodes get 4. The even interior node gets 2. The answer cell C14 is sum product of the F values and the multipliers times h over 3. That is the composite Simpson 1/3 rule. 0 times 1 plus 1/4 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 2 and 1/4 times 4 plus 4 times 1. That weighted sum is 16. Then 16 times 1/2 over 3 is 8/3. Excel stores 2.6667. For a cubic or quadratic, Simpson is exact, so the engine recovers 8/3 with no truncation error. On exam day, type the nodes, square them, drop in 14241, and multiply by h over 3. This tab is the rebuild recipe for any Simpson quadrature the Excel question throws at you.